So the immune system is the body's natural defense system, and it works hard on identifying things called pathogens, which are baddies that enter the body, and the body recognizes it and mobilizes the defense system. So a good thing to think about is when you have bacteria or viruses that enter the body in the bloodstream, there are think of them as the SWAT team, which is your white blood cells. They're mobilized to identify and attack the foreign invaders. Now, the way this is done is by a chemical called antibodies. So the antibody is like a flag that's pinned against unfriendly baddies, let's call them, or pathogens. So that way the white blood cells can target the unfriendly cells and destroy them, so that it protects the body, the immune system. Now, what happens is if there are friendly cells that start to get pinned with these antibodies, that's where the malfunction occurs. So imagine that your kidney has been pinned with antibodies. The body's immune system, so the SWAT team, will identify that it's been flagged, and it will start attacking itself. It'll attack the friendly kidney cells. And then you develop problems with a malfunctioning kidney, and it just starts to get haywire. So in understanding how the immune system works properly first, we then understand why an autoimmune system can be so dangerous, because the body starts to fight against itself. It's a big problem.